I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 6 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is an object hung on a wall. I've got this frame. A piece of ribbon. I've got these 3 pieces of ribbon. Transportation. I've got this truck. Something sharp. I'm using the bulb pen. I just hung a little charm on my ribbon, and the something sharp is my bulb pen. A photo of your family or a family member, and this is my cousin Robbie, and he was like a brother to me, or he still is. He's like a brother to me, and we grew up together and have always been pretty close, so I'm using him in this collage. And the bonus is a form, and I'm using this guest check. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, let's see what we're gonna do here. Lay out this stuff and kind of see where we're gonna go. Kind of got an idea. I had to play with it. Kind of lay that around. Then I thought I would take that and kind of tilt that. And I think I'm going to cut this one down. And just continue it on the other side. I like that. Okay, now maybe something like that. And I'll probably do a eyelet and hang it from there. So let's get to laying some stuff down. I've already inked, and let's get going. Well, I'm doing pretty good considering we just had to pay our property taxes yesterday, and we had to get a car tag, and we had to have one of our vehicles fixed, and it's gonna cost quite a pretty penny. I'm very thankful my sons are gonna help out, and it's good to have good kids. All right, now let's see here. Got that and that. All right, but it just seems like it's always something. We were expecting like a $200 car fix, and it was $1,700. Oh, I could have cried. Everything is so expensive, it's ridiculous. All right, now put that down there. My husband and I are trying out some new series. We tried Sons of Anarchy. It was more my husband's taste than mine. I didn't mind it, but it wasn't something that drew me in. And now we're trying Shadow Hunters. We've gotten a few shows into it, and it really took off with us to begin with, but now the way the storyline's going, I don't know. We'll hang in there for a little bit and see if it's something we want to continue with. All right, now I wonder, I think I'm just gonna go with it the way it is. Thought about embossing it, but I think it'll cover up the decoration of it. Now my cousin Robbie, I'm a few years older than him, but he lives in Alabama, and that's where my grandmother was from. And every weekend, every Sunday, we would go over there and visit. So I spent a lot of time with him. We'd go romping through the woods and get into all kinds of mischief. But he was always like a brother to me. We've always been close. We don't see each other very often. Don't get to talk to each other. I need to do a better job about that. I'm not good at keeping up with other folks. I should be better than what I am. Especially when there's somebody close to you. Okay, I have that there. But he is a great guy, hard worker. There we go. I think over here I'm just gonna, it's not really part of the collage per se, but I'll go ahead and put down my prompts. I am still reading the Lisa Gardner book. Like I said, when I go to bed, I'm so tired. I don't feel like reading very much. It makes me sleepy. I like reading before I go to bed, but like I say, it does make me sleepy. Okay, I like that. And I have got just some stuff to kind of decorate. I don't know what I'll use, if any, but it just seems like it needs something else. And I love the image of the truck. It came from a Dollar Tree calendar. Oh, don't want to forget to put my eyelet in. Since that is silver, I think I'm going to go with a silver eyelet. And put it kind of close to the edge of the page. There we go. Oops, caught on my sleeve. There we go. Now, just come through here. Whoops. There we go. That's cute. All right, now let's see what we're going to do here. Put that there, and that there maybe. I was lazy yesterday. I got ahead, so I didn't have to worry too much, but my husband it was his day off, and so I tried to get everything done so we can, you know, spend some time together. And when we went to pay the taxes, went by the library, and I got a stack of magazines for free. I love their freebie table. And I could have gotten a lot more, but I don't want to be too greedy. But I got a lot. Let's see here. Had some from the 80s and just some like Mississippi magazines, which has a lot of nice pictures. Okay, let me see here. And I think that's got that. I wonder if maybe some washi tape. See what we can do with this. What colors? I really didn't stick my roses out quite enough there. I love washi tape. Okay. Maybe up here. Alright, I like that. Let's see what else we could do. That's pretty. Put a few pieces around here, maybe like on the guest check. And on my prompts. That's cute. Maybe just a little piece up there. And see if there's anything else. Maybe this one to kind of frame it out just a little bit more. Probably overdoing it. But that's what's fun. I like it. And now, let's see here, I'm going to do some splatters. Let's see which ones I want to do. What colors? I think I want to kind of go with the bronze or copper looking. think it'll show up pretty against the yellow. I've been trying to use up, I got the paper from, thrifting on Black Friday at Goodwill, and so I've been trying to use it for like my backgrounds. It's pretty paper, but it's kind of not what I would normally use in journals. So, but I do like the paper. But since I go more vintage style, it doesn't quite work. Should I do some black? Maybe for the contrast, just a little. I have to fill up my bottle. All right. Well, I'm very happy with that. I hope you like it as well. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. It really helps my channel to grow, and it doesn't cost anything. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. You can hit the bell on that subscribe button, and it'll hit all, and it will just show all, let you know when my videos come out, so that you don't miss any. And be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW6 to see what everyone else has made this week. So y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Bye, y'all.